A lot to think about when it comes to the markets. What's your thought about the fact that we're seeing this debt limit deal move forward? Is that a net positive for the market? Is there anything you're concerned about with this deal?
I think it's a net positive. I'm glad to see some movement on this. Clearly, the deadline was looming, and everyone was getting nervous about that. But ultimately, I really don't think 6 months from now we're going to be talking about this. I think it's something that is going to prove fleeting and needed to happen. But hopefully, everything will go smoothly over the next few days.
All right, you're very hopeful. So with all that hope in mind, what is your WEX word of the day?
My word of the day is essentially inconsequential, immaterial. Right. I couldn't remember which one I finally went with.
It's okay.
So the reason why I went with immaterial is really what I was just saying. We take a very long-term perspective. And so any one trading day, regardless of the fact that we have some nice positive news coming out today, any one trading day is really immaterial when it comes to the long-term picture, when you really think like a long-term investor. And so I think immaterial is really the right word to apply to any single day in the market.
All right, so here's something that's not immaterial. The yield on bonds right now. What are you talking to or saying to your clients when it comes to investing in bonds? Have you changed the percentage of the portfolio that's in bonds? And I hate to get so mathematical, but of the bond percentage, how much is that as short-term bonds?
So we don't actually really allocate our clients between different asset classes. What we do is offer them portfolios in both equities and fixed income that really take a long-term perspective on the markets. So we do think that there's a lot of really attractive investment opportunities on the fixed income side right now, and our fixed income team is certainly seeing that. But it's not something where I'd say we don't work with individual investors and allocate across them. Instead, we really work with intermediaries and help their clients by providing them with investment solutions.
Okay, well, speaking of investment solutions, a lot of people are looking for stocks to invest in outside of the big AI-focused stocks that are really at the top of the market. What are you looking at outside of those big names, outside of NVIDIA, Alphabet, Microsoft?
So my favorite really to talk about today is a company called Ferguson, and it is a distributor, which I think there's a lot of things about the business models of distributors that can make really great long-term investment opportunities. The challenge is it can be hard to find these businesses trading at a discount to what we think they're worth. And so, for every business that we invest in, we look at whether we have, whatever the opportunity is that we can see across the long-term cash flow generation of the business. And with a business like Ferguson, you really see very strong competitive advantages where they're working with tons of suppliers and also tons of clients. And by creating that kind of funnel, they're helping these distributors, they're helping their end clients benefit from a very wide array of distribution. And they particularly focus on plumbing-related products as well as HVAC-related supplies. And that is an area of the market that has generally been relatively steady and stable and benefited from the strong economy that we've seen over the last decade. There could be some bumps as we go into the next few months, but we certainly think that's something that's creating the opportunity.
Let's get to some of your other picks, including one in the alcohol space, Diageo.
Sure. So Diageo is a really interesting company from the perspective that everybody's aware of Diageo and has heard of it, right? We all are familiar with a lot of their alcohol brands that they distribute throughout the world. And I think when it comes to Diageo, we're really interested in it because it's trading at a discount. And again, as I said, that's something that you don't always see from these very high quality, strong competitive advantage businesses over time. Now with Diageo in particular, their distribution is very strong across the world. They'll really benefit from growth in emerging markets. So that gives kind of an additional tailwind to the idea of Diageo. And ultimately, we think it's an opportunity to own a really great long-term business at a discount to intrinsic value.
All right, so it sounds like you're kind of looking for deals right now. I think a lot of people are bargain hunting. Very quickly before we let you go, when you look at the broader market, are you seeing any catalyst for a big upside move?
Honestly, we really don't think about it that way. I'd say what we are fundamentally doing is just looking for great businesses trading at a discount to what they're worth. And that's really what we find in Ferguson and in Diageo. So that's why we picked those to focus on today.